pull it off the rest of the way right away, mostly so you guys can see the bubbles. Okay, welcome to the OHO. We're going to be going over how to install a decal. If I need a decal on your boat, I'm going to put it on my boat, and I'll be putting it on my truck as well. So step one, this is the vinyl decal going on a boat. So I got my vinyl decal right here, you can see the OHO, and I got myself some isopropyl alcohol. I'll get a picture of that, and a squeegee. Step one, isopropyl alcohol, spray inside the boat. I like to take a rag versus towel paper, it leaves less behind. That's a soft rag. Make sure you get all the dirt off. Get all the dirt off as best you can. Make sure you wipe that clean and dry. Let that dry for a second. Make sure you get all the residue off there. You want a good clean surface, because without the clean surface it will not stick. So make sure you get that nice and clean. You can hit it again if you're not sure. Make sure you got it nice and clean. Okay, now your surface is nice and clean. The manufacturer recommends that we tape this up. Like that. Painter's tape right down the middle. Make sure it stays up there just like that. And then we're going to peel this back. You can see it's just peeling back already. And then the manufacturer wants us to cut this off right here. And then take more isopropyl alcohol, spray this up really well, and then squeegee it out. So we're going to do that. So it says that we want to get it in place. This, we cut off this portion of the sticker. Make sure not to cut this portion. So we got that off there. Now we spray again. And we put this on here like this. Now we give it a squeegee. And we start squeezing that out. Okay, and then it says to peel this back. So now we take the corner and pull it over. Obviously you can still make sure to get all the bubbles out. And we will peel this off. When these are shot, making sure again you got your bubbles out. Go ahead and hit that again if you have to, making sure you got it all out, worked out. Yeah, you'll see the little bubbles in there. Let's get close up. Got a little bubble right in there. You can see it right here. So we'll try to get that bubble out. I'll have to work it towards the top here. See the bubble come right out. Don't be afraid to push on that. You're not going to hurt it. So I got that worked out pretty good. And now we'll keep going. And now we'll just do this simply to the other side. So now we get this is stuck. So we know we can release our tape. That's already stuck on there. Now I go ahead and peel back the rest of it. And once again, spraying isopropyl alcohol on here. Don't be afraid to give it a lot. You can spray some on here, it's not going to hurt it. So we'll get rid of tape. And we'll pull it off the rest of the way right away, mostly so you guys can see the bubbles. So that's off. Now we'll get it up close. You can see that there's bubbles and wrinkles in there. So we're going to try to, you can clearly see those bubbles and wrinkles in there. Try to get that vinyl so you can see that coming out right there. Nice close up right there, that coming out. those out. Get all this stuff out of there. Yeah, looking pretty good. Keep going a little bit. Get this, dry this off a little bit. Get that moisture out of there. Voila, looks perfect. Sticker is applied. It really is just that easy. Thank you for watching. We are going to come back and put a, even though it's a vinyl sticker, we're going to throw on another membrane over the top of this to ensure that it never gets washed away. So look forward to seeing you on that next segment as well. But other than that, putting on a vinyl sticker is quite easy. So thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.